Right, so I was just reading the back, and I was thinking that maybe it was, sometimes you have to lay stuff up in a certain thickness to maintain its integrity. Maybe I should have did a couple of thin layers. But like I said, it hasn't been a total 24 hours, so I'll give it another day and see if it's ended up being rigid or not. Anyway, I'm about to jump on this water pump. Okay, let me get the right tools. All right, so you got a 1/2 inch, uh, 7/16, and 5/16. That guy right there. All right, my rubber centrifugal slinger, which is this piece right here, is cracked, and I'm gonna order another one of those. Well, let me get that off. Well, the good news is that none of the fins are broken. Uh, it's a little off, it's a little bent. I don't know if that's normal wear and tear, if it's from getting too hot, but anyway, let me keep going. Alright, so, I think what I'm gonna do is go see about getting a gasket cleaner, because I don't know if I got my, I don't know if I got it clean enough. I don't know if it's supposed to be all silver with no black nowhere. I got a little bit down there I didn't get, but it's got to be an easier way than how I'm doing it. So I think I'm gonna hold off on reassembling it, so you guys can tell me if that's clean enough, or do I need to go get a special tool to get in there. You know, it's not a lot of space. It's like, the problem is the space that you have to work with. Come on, focus, baby, focus. Yeah, I could do a better job up over there. So I'm gonna hold off on reassembling it for probably till the weekend or one day this week. Let me check my new parts, but I do have to order this piece right here because it is cracked. So I can be doing that too. Let me find the new parts. Alright, so for Alpha 1 Gen 1, that's what I'm working with. Alpha 1 Gen 1 Merc Cruiser Outdrive. This is the Sierra water pump kit. And, you know, the way I thought it was supposed to come with the water tube, but it didn't. So I'm probably going to order a water tube when I order that right there. That, what is it called? Rubber centrifugal slinger? Rubber centrifugal slinger. When I order that, I'm going to order a new water pump hose, or inlet pipe. Well, I gotta figure out the name. I don't feel like looking it up. But anyway, I'm gonna order one of those. Because it came with the impeller, the water pump housing, the base, that's the base, the housing, and the seals. I'm not quite sure where. Maybe these seals are for these seals may be for another application. Those are my seals, those flat ones for sure. I'm not sure about these rubber ones. Maybe this is applicable to more than one application. I'm not sure, but I'll find out. And so I'll order that pipe and that slinger, and then I'll come back next weekend and put it together. And then you guys let me know if that's clean enough. Okay, see you guys next weekend.